The benefits of ketones are quite diverse, and what we see short-term and long-term can be different for everyone. So what can it help with? What are studies suggesting that it might be beneficial for? We're seeing studies that are suggesting benefit from a neuroprotective standpoint, cognitive benefit, traumatic brain injury, focus, energy, concentration, body composition, balancing our blood sugar, such as insulin and our blood glucose levels, impacting our hormones like leptin and ghrelin, potential benefit from a thyroid and a male and female sex hormone standpoint, inflammatory benefit, improving muscle mass, and the list goes on as the research continues to grow. So what can you expect to see early on versus long term? What you'll probably notice initially is the change in energy. As you first begin to change it, most people experience that cognitive benefit, the focus, the concentration, the energy from the ketones in their system, and then more long term, as the ketones exert their effect internally, helping to manage inflammation and balancing hormones, that's when we might see some of those other benefits, such as body composition or inflammatory states.